Ngokufumana lahlale trend nabanye abantu yona usuzizwa kanjani?
I'm gonna get sick. Ngidla iphilisi ngenxa yokuthi mina ngifuna ukugula.
Ngeke ngaba nomhlangano nomakhandla ngezinto ezithize athi zenzuwe.
Size sifike lapho bekwenze njani?
Uyambona umfoni uyagana.
Akazi noma sikomperisha noma sikomperisha. Baba ngayimele kulobona. Hayi kuningi okwenzakalayo ngaye. Anginakuphawula ngalokho.
Hello fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ikhona beef that is brewing between Lwandle and Mpumelelo. Quite frankly, Lwandle is tired of his father comparing him to his brother and forcing girlfriends and wife talks. And the only person who is responsible for this fight brewing is their father. Why ungamyeki umntana? I think Umusa has that mentality that having a wife will motivate a man to work hard. But he needs to influence these boys in a different direction, like opening businesses and trying to figure out how they can sustain themselves, not polygamy all the time. These boys are still kids. They still have a lot of growing up to do. Marriage shouldn't be on the list right now, and that's my opinion. What if Lwandle has his own boyfriend? I thought about this. What if Lwandle has his own boyfriend? Or deep down he wants a boyfriend, guys, because we are dick was it talks to Zamantombi all the time. Really, Lwandle stresses me out right now. What is it doing with his life, Vele? Kenyan? These are conversations that his father should be having with him. Like, what do you want to do? What are you doing? That is also content, and we would love to watch that. Besides driving his brothers and all his siblings around, because it seems like the only thing he's doing right now is being tagged along with his siblings. And guys, why does he look like he's a special child? Huh? Guys, am I the only one who sees that? Don't come for me, guys. Let's move from this. Tirelo. Tirelo is between a rock and a hard place. Being on a pill to prevent you from getting sick is serious business. This relationship is toxic, guys. We need to get Tirelo out of it. Funny how the ball turns, though. Uvuyo complained about the exact same things, and she was being labeled jealous, insecure, problematic. Guys, I'm not even going to dwell on Tirelo today because because why is she not moving on and leaving this guy? Let's look at what Mpilo brought us this last episode.
Now, le ndaba yokuthi fanele ulotshole ngifuna siyibheke kabili. Uma betha silobole bezobhala incwadi, sizoyibuka incwadi sibuyele kubona ngenkulumo ukuthi hayi no siyavuma noma sivume. Okay, kodwa nayi ingozi yokuthi uma sike salobola yonke wena into ozoyisebenza ibhekene nomakhumalo, meaning masike safika la sithi sikhokha khona ilobolo umuntu wami awusayi le emlazi njengoba uvakasha manje uthi sawuvakasha ekhaya ngeke kusenzeke. Uma sithatha le ndlela yelobolo ayisekho enye into engizongihlanganisa nalaba bantu.
But this must be the most difficult thing ever. I don't know how things work culturally, but is Mseleko right though? Is he okay? If he pays Lobola for Mpilo, does it mean that now she can't go to see her mother when she wants to? Guys, this is wrong. God, I feel like it's so wrong. You can't cut a cord between a mother and her child, even if you pay Lobola. Like, if you want to do it. If you don't, just don't. Stop giving these ultimatums. Mseleko, I feel like he's being a bully now. And Umakhumalo will never be Mpilo's biological mother. And that's that. Mpilo's mother is there. And she'll always be there. And also, Usne was able to change her surname to Mseleko without Alotyolwe, thanks to Mamkulu who pushed that to happen. Why is it different or difficult with Umpilo? Why can't she change her surname to his father's, Klaifun? I mean, she's an adult. And why is the surname change thing such an issue? You are a drama by Rumbashem, really. I don't know if it's Mpilo's mother's family that is being difficult, but it's affecting the child and it's taking a toll on the child now. My family, that's all I have for now. Let's continue this conversation on the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.